So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Tuesday the 24th of April. Now let's just have a look what our prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've seen this sell side momentum continuation taking us through the 34.51. Had a rejection at 34.51 and we did not find support at 13.28. What we did see was price progression here towards the downside. We've not quite come down for a test of the 13.2025 level yet. So what we have seen, however, was a actual test of the 13.28 from below. So what we have seen more recently is we've had a bit of a pullback from this from slightly in around the 13.23, 13.22. What we have seen is a test of the 13.28, and from which we have seen a bit. We've seen a rejection candle here, this bearish candle just there. We've tested it twice, and we've seen the bearish candle. Now, if we do see the momentum follow through, we're looking for prices to head down towards our 13.2025, very strong major level from which we could see a bounce back up towards that 13.28, possibly up towards that 13.34.51. But if we do see the momentum follow through the 13.2025, we're looking for price head down towards that 13.58. Previously, we found some minor supports here around 13.17.50. But ultimately, we are looking for prices to head down towards that 13.58. And if we do see the momentum follow through to the downside beyond the 13.58, the very next levels that we are looking at here are the minor level at 13.07, and then the very, very strong level in around at 13.05, which has active support on a daily chart. So those are pretty much levels that we are looking at if we do see the sell side momentum continuation here to the downside. And similarly to the upside, if we do break above and hold 13.28, we're looking for price head up towards 13.34.51, while being aware of the 400 period moving average sitting in around a 13.37 level. We'll anticipate 13.44.26 coming into focus, and in around a 13.44.26, we've also got the added confluence of a 200 period moving average. We've also got added confluence of a 200 period moving average. Even if we do get up there, we'll expect to see some sell side momentum come into the market from that level also. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the XAUUSD, and we get the scale on here correct. And as you can see here, we've had prices come up towards pretty close to the 13.57 level, an area which we were looking for to be the upper end of the trading range. And we're looking to see if we could break and hold above the level, and we were not able to do that. And what we did see was sell side momentum come back into the market. We've seen a pretty sharp sell-off here. So we broke below the previous, well, our most recent higher low in around a 13.34.51. We do seem poised for a test of 13.20. We'll see whether 13.20 holds, but if we fail at 13.20, there is a possibility of seeing prices head down towards a 13.07 level. Now, I mentioned 13.05 being a very strong level, and as we can see here on the daily chart, previously acted as resistance, and on this occasion acted as support. So 13.05, a very strong level from which we could see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market. And with that said, that wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.